Hey YouTube, so what we have here is the Hunter Infinity ceiling fan. Yeah, I put it back up. I like this ceiling fan a lot. It's a really good fan. That's just the Hunter Coastal Breeze you hear in the background. But yeah, I reinstalled it today, so let's go ahead and start off on meat low. Let's turn that light off so we can see the fan better. Yeah, that's not the original canopy. I had the original canopy. But the mounting bracket system, the mounting system is odd for this one. There's no like ball and socket mounting bracket. It's just a flat plate where you have to hook the canopy up to. And there's no twist lock screw like canopy. But you have to put the screw in, and it's kind of hard to hold the canopy flush to the ceiling while you're putting the screw in, because you got to hold the weight up of the ceiling fan. It's kind of heavy. Even without all the blades and light fixture, it's still not easy to install. So I just put a different canopy on because I used the ball and socket. Well, it already was ball and socket, but I took the old mounting bracket off. Let's go to high. It starts bouncing around on high. There's the Hunter logo. So yeah, I'm not even gonna film the spin down because it takes a little while. So yeah, bye.